Luma AI Dream Machine is one of the best AI video generators out there. But how good is it? I have been testing this AI video generator website, and these are the tons of videos I have generated using this website. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how the website works. I will show you how to use the camera motion on this website, how you can turn images to videos, and also show you a way that you can generate prompts for your video. If you are ready, let's dive in. I'll leave the link to the website in the video description. When you come to the website, you will be asked to log in or either to sign in. To sign into this website, simply come over here and click on join us or try now. I'm going to click on try now as a new user to sign up. Now you can simply use either your Google account or you sign in using your Apple. For this, I'll continue using my Google account, and you'll be asked to select the Google account you want to use to sign in. Simply pick one of your Google accounts and you will come to this interface. Immediately you are signed in. From here, this is where you can enter your prompt. So let's say I have this prompt: fast FPV drone fly through of a European castle, beginning with the area view of the towering stone walls and turrets, then gliding through an open window into the grand interior halls. After entering your prompt here, to start generation, you can simply click on this icon. And from here, after some time, your video is going to be generated. And now we have a video like this. You can see how cool and realistic this video is. To download your videos, come down here and click on download. If you want to extend your video, you can click on extend to extend the minutes of your video. For me to download my video, I'll click on download this video, and my video is going to be downloaded to my device. Here, there's another cool thing on this website that you can make use of. From here, you can see if you don't have an idea of what to create, you can simply use the idea on this website. At this bottom side, you will see that this website is going to give you an idea. If you want them to regenerate another new idea, you simply click on this button and it's going to regenerate another idea. From this idea that the website is going to give you, you can create your own prompt. If you want to make use of this idea, simply click on idea, and that prompt is going to be entered into this prompt area. So you can see it says low angle shot of a majestic tiger prying through a snowy landscape, leaving point on the white blanket. So this is the prompt. If you want to make use of the camera motion on this website, after entering your point, you can simply type in camera. And when you type in that camera, you'll be given this option for you to make use of the camera on this website. So if I want to make use of the pull out, I'm just going to select pull out, and that camera movement is going to be added here. Make sure you always use this enhanced prompt because it gives you more realistic video. After entering your prompt, you simply click on the send button, and after some time, we have this video. You can see how cool and realistic this video is. If you want to download your videos, simply come down here and click on this download button. Now, let me show you how to generate video from image. To do that, simply come down here and click on this image icon. From here, select an image from your device. And now we have this particular image. Now, we just have to add a prompt explaining what we want to have in this video. Now I'm going to add a camera motion. So this camera motion, I will tell this website to move it to the right. So I'm going to add this camera motion. This is a car driving through the street. So after adding my prompt, I'll click on the generate button. And after a few minutes, we have our video being generated. And this is the video. You can see from ordering an image to a video like this. If you want to download your video, simply click on this download button and your video is going to be downloaded. Now, if you want to know how to get more prompts, to generate more prompts, you can simply make use of ChatGPT to generate your prompt. You can simply go to ChatGPT and tell ChatGPT that you want to generate a prompt for an AI text to video website. So if I go to ChatGPT, I'm going to ask ChatGPT, give me a video prompt that I can use for a text to video AI website. So I'll explain what I want to achieve. So for this, I want to achieve a cinematic movie, a cinematic adventure movie. So I'm going to send this, and now I've gotten my prompt. So I'm going to just copy this prompt, then I'll go over to the website, then paste in this prompt. So you can decide to add camera motion. So after pasting my prompt, I'm going to send this. Thank you guys for watching. Leave a comment under this video and like this video to support this channel. If you want to make use of this website, I'll leave the link to this website in the description of this video.